So this is how you can find your old stories on Facebook. Go on ahead and open up the app, and then tap on menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. That should be the three-line symbol at the corner. So let's scroll down until we can find settings and privacy. Right under that is settings, so simply tap on that. And now you're going to want to look for your activity right here, this section right here. So as you can see, there are 5 buttons: activity log, device permissions, apps and websites, business integrations, and learn how to manage your information. What you're going to want to click on is the very first one, which is your activity log. So here we are. As you can see, there are 3 gray buttons: archive, trash, and activity history. So archive is where your archived posts are. Your trash is basically where you throw things out and where they will rot and be deleted after 30 days. Your activity history is where you can see all of your past watched videos and posts, and basically it's stored there so that you can come back to it. So, what you're going to want to tap on is your archive. As you can see, it says moving posts, photos, or other items to archive is a way for you to save things you no longer want to show on your profile. So basically, everyone's stories are automatically moved to the archive right after 24 hours of them being up. So if you want to find your old stories, this is a good way to look for them. I don't really have any stories yet on this account, so there's nothing here. But if you still can't find them, simply tap on that story archive button and see if they're there. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.